A very good morning to all my students, those who have been watching my building vocabulary. I have given you the last video about this. Now I am continuing the video. In the last class, we finished our class on the parts of speech, that is about verb, noun, adjective and adverb. So today we will discuss, in the last class I gave you some suffixes of that category. Today we will give you how we will use the noun, verb, adjective and adverb in different sentences. Okay, so the first, we are here with the noun part. So noun, here we are not going to define noun. Here we will see how the category of noun word will come. How will we come to know that the word is of a noun category? So whenever we will use a noun is a word in front of which you can put the, a and some. So these are the words which will tell you that the noun is going to come. So these are the words which will help you to recognize noun. So you can see the example, some patience is needed. So this is patience and this is. So patience is a noun. Next we have the action was wrong. So action is a noun. Again the is coming up. So he took a management degree. So we have again and after a we have management. So these are all nouns. Again we have to remember the suffixes which I gave you in the last video. So ity, ence, ion, ment. Whenever you will find these suffixes, it means words which will come in the end of the word, end part of the word, at the tail end. So like activity. So you can see ity, excellence, conclusion, management. So these are the words which are of the noun category. Verb category, we have always a confusion that how we will understand the category of the word is verb. So whenever we need to test it, you need to check it. So you can put this into letters pattern. Which pattern? Letters pattern. So letters pattern will help you to always bring a verb. So you can see let us construct. So construct is a verb. Let us congratulate. So congratulate is a verb. Let us simplify. This is a verb. And let us organize. So this let us pattern help us to put a verb category word, and we have to again remember the suffixes. All the noun, verb and adjective and adverb have a different suffix part. So again for verbs we have IZE, which will bring criticize, organize, and you can make many more words. FY as rectify, signify, identify. So these are the words which are of verb category. CT, instruct, destruct, construct, and ATE, fortunate, fluctuate, educate. So these are the suffixes which will help you to understand that the word category is of a verb. And once you come to know the category of verb, noun, or further we are going to adjective, you will be able to use them into proper sentences. Now we are proceeding ahead to adjective. So we can use past participle as an adjective. For this you need to understand the past participle form. Whenever you will read about adjectives, there is a ing form of a participle, that is in the verb category it is a V4, but a verb can be used in the two ways. It first in as a continuous tense, that is we use a ing form with playing, going, running, swimming. These are all the words. When we use with a state verb, just like I am playing, I am going, it is as a continuous form, that is V4 form. But when we use as a participle form, then it becomes an adjective form. So for adjective, the pattern is spotting an adjective. In the pattern you can use you are very. So whenever you will use you are very pattern, you will easily be able to understand the category of the word which is of adjective category. Please keep it in mind. You can use various patterns. First you can use you are very. I have written for you this active, this is an adjective. You are very interesting, this is a participle form, ing form. Again we have a different pattern. It is very strong. So it is very is also a pattern. People are very smart, people are very is also a pattern. The country is very great. So this three patterns can help you to put an adjective, and this will help you to improve your word vocabulary of a adjective or adjective type. So adjective types are very important to express a person, to show or criticize or to praise someone. So you need to bag some adjective words. So we have here suffixes. IVE can give you, IVE is an end word. If you find any end word, then it is an adjective. So active, effective, relative, native. For ENT, patient, ancient, obedient. AR, peculiar, similar, familiar. And OUS, cautious, ambitious. So these are the words, these are the end suffixes or the end parts of the word which will help you to know what type of an adjective it is. Now we are coming to adverb part. Adverbs are very easy. Adjective adding with ly becomes adverb. So similar comes with ly, then it becomes similarly. This is very common. Patient plus ly become patiently. Effective plus ly becomes effectively. Interesting plus ly becomes interestingly. And active plus ly becomes actively. So these are very common. You can easily do it. So this was what we were talking in the last class for the parts of speech. Why are they important? I would like to tell you, because these are the words which will help you to understand what and in what sentence category we will be able to use this. And for etymologies, very soon we will give you some new category of etymologies which you have to memorize and help you to improve your word vocabulary. So you can see the etymologies.